Haspa here with WTI, and I love a good pair of high heels. And these Averly sandals from LifeStride, I love. The color is such a beautiful baby purple, and I'm in love with it because it basically matches everything I wear. I love how comfortable the heel is. I'm always looking to get nice looking shoes that are comfortable to walk in, and these ones are it. They're super cute. I can tolerate them all day long. I don't get tired at all, and I always wear them when I know that I am going to be standing for a while and I'm not going to be able to find a seat. They don't slip. I think they're also perfect for dancing. I would definitely wear them if I went to a wedding and I want to wear nice looking shoes that allow me to dance and have them all night long. It looks so delicate, and they can also be dressed up or down because this can serve as a casual statement piece or a more elegant statement piece depending on what outfit you're wearing. I would definitely recommend these ones from LifeStride, and that is my point of view.